Let's make egusi soup. In your steam meat, wash your stockfish very well and allow to cook for a while. Please don't mind my voice, I'm having catarrh at the moment. So allow it to cook. Add your water. Then the next thing, you can go in with your oil, your red oil. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. Support your baby girl. So in your plate, add your egusi with some little water, then turn it thoroughly. Don't add too much water to it. Then to your pot, add your red pepper. Me, I like using red pepper because I love the taste it gives to my food. Then you go in with your crayfish. If you don't want to use crayfish, it's just left for you. But everybody have their choice of cooking. So after putting your crayfish, the next thing you have to go in with your red meat. I removed my red meat from the outside. Reason being that I don't like my red meat to be very, very soft. You know what I mean? Then you can go in with your egusi. The egusi that you mixed with little water. You see how smooth it is. You add it into your pot. This is me doing my thing. So after adding my egusi, I allowed it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes before I will stir. So now have you seen how thick my soup is? So I added my vegetable, which we popularly call ugu. So in my dialect we call it ugu leaf. So I used vegetable leaf to cook my egusi. So you stir it together, give it a good mix. Soup is ready. You can dish it out to your friends, to your families, your neighbors, everybody. Which type of swallow do you think will be suitable for this soup? Is it eba, semo, or fufu? Please give me the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. You know I always love you. Thank you. If you watched to this point, I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Please turn on your notification bell anytime I post new videos. Here we make affordable meal. You don't need to break the bank too.